Hey everyone, this is Aisha Earning Wali. Hope so. You all are fine and having a great day. Today I'll come with another review of TED Talk, and my topic is The Learning Revolution by Ken Robinson. So let's talk about it. The learning about the writer. So, The Learning Revolution is a powerful and thought provoking work by Sir Ken Robinson, globally recognized education expert. In this book, he challenges traditional education system and argues that they are outdated, rigid, and are not designed for the modern world. Instead, he calls for a transformation, a learning evolution that nurtures creativity, individuality, and real work skills. So, let's begin it. The Learning Evolution by Ken Robinson is a powerful and insightful book that challenges the traditional educational system, as we already talk on it, and that the treat students like products, focusing on standardization, memorization, and testing rather than creativity and individual growth. He explains that this system was designed during the Industrial Revolution and no longer meets the needs of today's fast changing creative world. One of the key ideas in the book is that creativity is just as important as literacy, yet schools often discourage it by punishing mistakes and encouraging only one correct answer. Robinson highlights that every child is unique and possesses different talents and ways of learning, but the current system fails to recognize this diversity. He shares several real life examples and incidents of students who were labeled as weak or problematic in school but later became as successful in creative fields, provoking that intelligence is not limited to academic performance. The book also emphasizes the crucial role of teachers, describing them as mentors who inspire curiosity and adapt their teaching methods to meet students' needs rather than simply delivering information. Robinson strongly supports personalized learning where education is tailored according to students' instead and abilities, allowing them to explore and develop their full potential. He also discusses how learning does not only happen in classroom but through experiences, interactions and real life situations, making education a continuous and dynamic processes. For example, the book highlights the importance of technology in modern education as it provides access to vast knowledge and support innovative teaching methods. But Robinson makes it clear that technology alone cannot bring change unless it is used creatively and effectively. Throughout the book, he presents inspiring examples of innovative school and systems that focus on creativity, collaboration, and student engagement, showing that change is possible. While the book is highly motivating and thought provoking, some of its ideas may seem idealistic and difficult to implement on a large scale. However, its core message remains strong and relevant. Education must evolve to nurture creativity, individuality, and real world skills. In conclusion, the learning evolution is not just a critique of the current system but a call to action for educators, parents, and policymakers to rethink and redesign education for the future, ensuring that every learner has the opportunity to succeed in their own unique way. So, the core ideas of the book is that education system must shift from standardized industrial models to personalized, creative, and flexible learning system. And Robinson compared modern education to an industrial factory system where student as treated like product. We already talk on this. Learning is standardized, creativity is often suppressed, and he highlights it with example. He discusses how many students labeled as weak are actually talented in areas like art, music, or creativity, but the system fails to recognize these strengths and creativity as important as literacy. So every child has unique potential. He shares stories of successful individuals who struggled in school but later excelled in creative fields, proving that traditional education does not define intelligence. The role of teacher. Teachers are not just instructor, they are mentor, guide, inspiration sources. Robinson stresses that great teacher encourage curiosity, adapt to student needs, create engaging learning environment. So personalized learning, he strongly supports customized education based on student interest and abilities, offer flexible learning path, encourage exploration, and support individual growth. Learning beyond the classroom, at home, in communities, and through experience. He also talk about the real life experience often teach more valuable skill than textbook. And technology and education plays a major role in the learning evolution. Technology alone is not enough; it must be used creatively and effectively. The important incidents and illustrations are this that students should misunderstood by the system. Many children labeled as troublemaker are actually bored or unchallenged and creative professionals' journeys. Artists, musician, and innovator often succeed despite the education system, not because of it. And innovative schools, he highlights schools that focus on creativity, collaboration, and student engagement as successful model. Education must evolve with the world. Creativity is essential for future success. Every child is unique and capable, and teachers are the key to transformation. Learning should be engaging, flexible, and meaningful. So, the learning evolution is not just a book, it's a call to action. And Ken Robinson urged educator, parent, and policymakers to rethink on it. And if I'll give my opinion on this TED talk, so I must talk on this. It's a very great topic. First of all, in most schools, we make sections, and like we combine the weak students in one classroom, and the which we call the weak students, and the students which take like a percentage according to the teachers. 99, 98, we make one another section. So basically I don't personally like the school environments and the teachers attitude. Like in many schools and colleges, the like culture is we adopt this thing as a culture. We make sections, we separate students are intelligent and weak according to us, but every child, as Quan Robinson said, is creative. So we need to change the curriculum. I already talked on this on many very topic. We have to need to change the curriculum syllabus according to the today's changing world. Because we are moving at that time of digital world in applications and something like that, but we do not teach students how to use email, how we can make gmails, and how you can use technology. And I think we learn education for our like improvement. We take education for our like we are independent, and we take education like we make a good human, and we our personality gets better. But the education which we people give to our students are not fulfilling all these requirements. Like students who the students in Pakistan who take education of 16 years are not going to earn a healthy amount of income in which they earned and run a house. So like we take example in not all that, but if we take an example of 60 students in a classroom, and they got passed out, some are got high marks, some got average marks, but not all the students are successful in the practical life. So I think we should teach students in a way that they help in a practical life. We should teach the students in a way that they able to earn in their school lives, because it's not a bad thing if we talk on it. When we take education on some purposes, it's going to be helpful. So I don't personally like our, like, we need to change many things in our community, in our culture. We adopt many things in our culture. Like if our teacher should be like, there are a lot of burden on the teachers also, lot of notebooks, books, and lot of burden also on the students. So teacher also should be stressful, and they the student then the student already automatically going to be stressed. So we need to talk on these topics, and we need to improve on this. We need to improve so our society gets much better. Thank you so much. It is my review and my opinion. Next time I'll come with another review. Stay connected, stay safe, take care. Allah Hafiz.